Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you different venation in leaves. The arrangement of or system of veins and veinlets in the leaf lamina is known as venation. Veins bring nutrients and liquid to leaf cells. This is a parallel venation. Here veins arranged axially, not at all intersecting. Now this is a reticulate venation. Now here smaller veins forming a network. Now third one is palmate venation. Here several primary veins diverging from a point. Now last one is pinnate venation. Now in this secondary veins paired oppositely. Thank you.